How to add or remove previous versions to the context menu. Previous versions in Windows 11 lets you restore earlier versions of files that were saved using File History, System Restore, or Windows Backup in drives with the system protection enabled. While the Previous Versions tool is typically accessed through the Properties window, it can be added to the context menu for easier access. In this video, we'll discuss how to add or remove previous versions from the context menu using Windows Registry and Group Policy Editor. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Adding previous versions to the context menu. You will need to use the Windows Registry Editor to add previous versions to the context menu. On that note, it is imperative that you complete a backup of your registry and system before making any changes. Using the wrong code or mistyping your scripts can lead to system-wide implications. Open a text editor like Notepad and then create a file named enable_previous_versions_menu.reg. Our blog contains the full codes for enabling the context menu, enabling the Properties window, and clearing policies. Again, make sure to copy the scripts exactly as they're written. Double-click the file, confirm the prompts, and click Run. Then, add the registry entries. Restart your computer to apply the changes. This process can also be done through Group Policy. Open the Group Policy Editor by typing gpedit.msc into the Run dialog. Then navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System Restore. Under the System Restore, make sure to do the following. Set Turn Off Configuration to either Not Configured or Disabled. This keeps System Restore settings visible and manageable. Set Turn Off System Restore to either Not Configured or Disabled. This ensures the System Restore feature remains active on the system. Again, reboot your computer to apply these changes. Removing previous versions from the context menu. Using Windows Registry, open a text editor again and create a file called disable_previous_versions-menu.reg. Refer to our blog post for the complete script you'll need to include in this file. The post contains codes for disabling the context menu, disabling the Properties window, and clearing existing policies. If you prefer to use Group Policy, follow the steps listed above. However, when you get to Restore, make sure Turn Off Previous Versions is set to Enabled. Using Group Policy will not disable File History or System Restore, allowing you to hide this functionality from users without affecting the rest of your system. Disabling previous versions in the Windows 11 context menu can be useful if you don't use the feature or want to hide it from others. In addition, disabling previous versions in an enterprise environment minimizes user access and reduces the risk of users accidentally overwriting or deleting a previous file. For more information, check out our official blog on adding or removing previous versions from the context menu and properties in Windows, linked in the description below.